Grade 12 Law examines elements of Canadian and international law in social, political, and global contexts. Students will study the historical and philosophical sources of law and the principles and practices of international law, and will learn to relate them to issues in Canadian society and the wider world. CLN4U will include the following units. Heritage. Canadian law has evolved quite a bit over time, so where better to begin than the beginning? The roots of our national laws can be traced back to the beliefs and values of our ancestors, who had strikingly different views on what counted as the fairest or perhaps the most efficient way to create law and deliver justice. In this unit, we will explore early influences on our legal system, including the exploration of competing philosophical theories on the nature of laws. And of course, we will take an in-depth look at the various historic events that caused major changes to our system. Rights and freedoms. As societies evolve over time, notions of justice slowly shift from the legitimization of majority rule to the recognition of individual rights. To formalize these rights, the Canadian government needed to pass legislation. In this unit, we will trace the historic protection of human rights, ending with a focus on its current state. In particular, we will focus on the official statement of Canada's fundamental values, the Constitution, and how the addition of the Charter of Rights and Freedoms gave the courts an important role to play. Criminal law and procedures. Most would agree that some form of criminal law is necessary in any society in order for its citizens to feel safe and secure. However, ideas surrounding what should be considered criminal behavior, how to minimize it, and how to deal with it when it occurs have varied immensely. In this unit, we will take a closer look at these ideas and their evolution over time. We will also study the rules of criminal procedure designed to protect both victims and accused, as well as the various sentencing options to be considered when our system decides that someone does, indeed, deserve punishment. Regulation and dispute resolution. In this unit, we will learn about three key scenarios where competing interests come into conflict and must be worked out through legal means. These situations are the environment, where production can have harmful effects; labor, where employers and employees disagree on a variety of fronts; and international law, where different countries must resolve critical issues such as trade and security without one clear set of laws to follow.